Marqueezy. This for you, baby. No joke. This for you, fellas. Something I cooked up. The dope house. In my kitchen. Yeah. Roll Cadillacs, never lie on rap. Smoke killer herb till my lungs collapse. Lost $2,000 last night shooting craps. Then I hit the Ritz and bought a few laps. Just got a letter from my old best friend, doing 25 in a federal pen. Wanna come home, but he said until then, could I look over his 3 children? They wake him up at 5 a.m. for Fruit Loops, draped up in white overalls and black boots. Used to drive a Lax, sipping gin and juice. Now we need money for some chips and soups. Run around town with a sack of rocks, polo shirts with the matching socks. Mom, I promise one day I'ma stop. I'ma grow up and be an astronaut. I'm on a Mexican radio. 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 Now daddy come first and daddy come next. Daddy represent that Scrooston text. Silly punks jealous of the SP mix, but your whole crew should be wearing Kotex. I'ma get by and I'ma get high. 13.5, I'ma let my birds fly. Everybody knows that my back is not dry. If you say it is, you a damn lie. Rolling through life like a tumbleweed. I'm the young prez of my company. Home catching hell cause I love my weed. Baby, can you please let your husband breathe? Tryna dodge death and tryna dodge jail. Home damn friends tryna do my gal. People used to call me a bum from hell. Laughed at my car when my muffler fell.